Hello guys and welcome to another video. In today's I'm going to show you how to trim videos on Adobe After Effects. So now you need to open your After Effects software and follow these steps. In your composition you will need to add a video in the project list or the sources menu. To do so, you will need only to drag any object or file from your desktop and drag it to your panel here or to your project panel, and it will be shown here. After that, you will need to have it and drag it here to the work panel, and you will have a layer or a video layer showing here. As you can see, this is my video here. Now we want to trim our clip. If you want to have trimming from the beginning to the end, you can just click in the corners and start doing like this and drag it left and right. And to trim the layer, you will need to go to edit, and here we will search for split layer. As you can see, we will click on the layer and we will have it trimmed. So this is our trimmed layer, and basically you can just delete this trim layer or whatever you want. And also you can use a shortcut by just clicking down your keyboard keys. You need just to click on Control plus Shift plus the C. Excuse me. We will need to click on these buttons here and go to Edit and click on the Control Shift, and as you can see, this is the split layer. As I said at the beginning, Shift D, and when you click Control Shift plus D, we will have our splitting that is working. Basically, you can trim or clip every time or every moment in your video or audio or whatever the layer that you are using. So basically this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.